So at our MS Center, we do routine cognitive screenings on all of our patients, and then we capture that data for research. And so we were very excited to have the opportunity to present this research this week at ACTRIMS. One of our posters was from our project led by Dr. Sylvia Kleinova, and we were looking at differences in outcomes in terms of physical outcomes and cognitive outcomes in patients with MS who are Black compared with patients with MS who are white. And then we also looked at, well, what might explain those differences. And so what we found was that patients with MS who are Black had worse outcomes in terms of their physical disability and cognitive function. But what was very interesting was we found that socioeconomic status is a really important factor that clinicians should be aware of in terms of understanding outcomes in their patients with MS. And although socioeconomic status is difficult to change, what we found were modifiable factors that seemed to be really important, diet being maybe the most important modifiable factor. Talking to our patients about diet is a really important step for clinicians to help address these disparities. Work by my colleague Dr. Ilana Katz-Sand has shown that the Mediterranean-style diet seems to have protective benefits for patients with MS. These are things like healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts, and staying away or reducing intake of processed foods or high sugar content foods, which can have inflammatory effects potentially.